At SilicoLife, we're at the frontier of blending AI with biology to revolutionize how we access nature's most valuable compounds. Nature offers a plethora of potent compounds, yet many remain inaccessible due to their rare or unsustainable sources. Leveraging AI, we decode the secrets of elusive botanicals, guiding precision fermentation to produce pure, sustainable ingredients. Our AI-driven approach accelerates the discovery and optimization of metabolic pathways and organisms, making production scalable and eco-friendly. Precision fermentation transforms microorganisms into efficient cell factories, producing high-purity ingredients at scale. The demand for natural, potent compounds is soaring, driven by their benefits in health and wellness, and requiring sustainable manufacturing. At SilicoLife, we're not just unlocking nature's potential, we're redefining access to the purest ingredients for a healthier, sustainable future.